welcome back to Moby's Kitchen. So today we're gonna be doing a Caesar salad. And it's kind of like a Mexican Caesar salad in a way. It's like a different twist on it. So I'm gonna tell you the ingredients right now. We have romaine lettuce, and then we have Marie's Caesar dressing. Now this is key to this Caesar salad. You have to have it to make it good. That's my opinion, but you can buy this at like Albertsons or Save Mart. You can also buy it at Walmart. So those are the few places. They stopped selling it at Vons, but anyway. Lemon, you crush up tortilla chips. Then you got Pecorino Romano, Mike's favorite. Avocado, and you don't have to do avocado if you don't want to, but it's up to you. White corn or yellow corn, doesn't matter, and black pepper. So we'll get this all put together and we'll be right back with you. Okay, now we're gonna cut our romaine. So I like to cut off a little bit of the end. Get that off. And then you wanna leave the core put together. So we're gonna make one cut down the middle, but don't cut all the way down to here. You're just gonna cut all the way through here. And you're gonna turn it a little bit and you're gonna cut way about here. Cut that through all the way down. Oh, sorry, I'm not the best cutter. Mike's way better. Huh, Mike?
I don't know. Okay. I know when your wife says that, you're supposed to just say, no, honey, you're doing a great job.
Okay, and then you just cut it however big you want it, thin, thick. I like a little bit in the middle. And then as you get closer to the edge, you want to do it a little thinner because those are harder pieces. And then probably about there is good, I think. And that's how you cut your romaine. Okay, now we just put our romaine in the salad spinner. And these are great. I'm gonna put a link in the description for this. And let me show you how this works. So basically, I like to hold mine since mine doesn't have like a huge handle, but there's a little slot right here. So that's where the water comes out when you pour it. So you just gotta get it going here. So you just spin it like this, and this will get all of the water off of your romaine, which is really important because you want your lettuce dry, otherwise your dressing won't stick. There's a lot of lettuce in here, so it's a little harder to do. So let me tell you a little bit about this Caesar salad recipe. I actually got this recipe from my good friend Corey. I had it over at her house, and it was so delicious that I had to steal it away. So thank you, Corey, and props to you. She actually, the difference is she puts fresh corn in hers, and I do canned corn, so you can do either one. But okay, let's see how this turns out here. Okay, you take it off. Actually, no, you leave this on. Sorry. And then you're gonna pour out all the water.
Wow, it's a lot of water on that lettuce.
Yeah, a lot comes out. And you could even like do it again if you want, if you feel like it needs more, but that should be good.
Kimber's behind you, hanging out. There she is.
I also like to get more of the water off too. You can stick it in the fridge for a little while, and that will make it more dry as well. So we will put together the rest of the salad, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients to this Caesar salad. So let's first add our avocado. And this is one avocado right here. If you don't like avocado, you don't have to add it. And then I'll do the corn. And this is, how much? 11 ounces, so I'll add all of that.
Bobby's got an audience right now. Let's check it out. So here's all our taste testers, and then the girls are playing back behind us, but they're gonna be back over here too.
Okay, and then we're gonna do lemon, and I do half a lemon. So let's do that. That all in there. Okay. Then we're gonna do pepper, and this is all just to your liking. Oh my gosh, that's not.
Open the other side.
Okay, there we go. Oh.
There you go. That's probably enough.
I like pepper though.
Yeah, no, it's a big salad. There's
Yeah.
there's three.
That's not too bad.
There's three
Okay.
stalks in there of lettuce. So
Okay, and then let's do Mike's favorite, Pecorino Romano from Italy. Okay. And I like to do quite a bit of this till you, as much as you like. What do you think, Mike?
however much you want. I don't think you can ever put too much of this stuff.
And you can also do Parmesan cheese too. I like both of them. So, whichever you have on hand. Okay. And then we have our tortilla chips, and you just crunch these up on here. And these have salt, so that'll add the salt aspect, as well as the cheese has salt. Just be adding some of those. Looking good. I'm just gonna add all of them. Okay, and lastly, we gotta add our Marie's Caesar dressing. This stuff's the bomb. Okay. And just go little by little with this. You don't wanna do too much because you can't take it away. So let's try that first, and then we can gradually add. And toss it up. Looking good, huh, Mike?
Looks great. How about we take a break while you toss this all up, and then next time you see it, it'll be on a plate and we'll taste test it.
Sounds good.
Sound good?
Yep.
No one wants to watch you toss.
Salad.
You know where I'm going with that.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so we're trying out the Caesar salad. What do you guys think? Christina likes it. We'll come back to Mark. He seems to take a long time to do things. So, Sean,
Corey's
good.
the best
Yeah,
part.
this is Corey's recipe. This is Sean. This
Love
is
the corn.
So Sean's the guy that made the cutting board, and his wife's the one that gave Bobby this recipe for the Caesar salad. So,
Very good. Well,
and I think that came originally from your mom, right?
yeah.
What do you girls think?
It's really good.
No pressure. Everyone at school is going to see this.
It's good every time.
All right.
What's your favorite part?
Perfection takes time.
There he is. What do you think, Mark?
Let me get another bite.
Mark's already on his fourth bite with no comment.
Would you guys make this at home?
100%.
They have made this. Sean's definitely had this. He grew up on this stuff because his mom was the one. All right. So guys, thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, keep watching the videos. We've got more. And by the way, we're testing everything on these plate, and all these are individual recipes that are going to be up on the channel. So we're going to talk about each one in a minute. But thanks for watching the Caesar salad video. Good job, Bobby. And you guys have a great night.